Okay, happy 420 Snowstorm. If you got some, hopefully you're smoking it and you're enjoying it. Remember, even though we're going through coronavirus, still puff puff pass. But figured to do a quick video of this. As you can see, that's covered. The golf cart over there is reasonably covered. The deck is covered. The barbecues. And it's coming down pretty good. Can't see my breath. Oh, well, actually, you can see my breath a little bit. Yep, a little bit. But happy 420. I will talk to them later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment. And like I said, smoke it if you got it. Bye for now.